AI and job displacement is a hot topic full of both promise and fear. On one hand, AI has the power to automate repetitive tasks, boost productivity, and even create entirely new industries. On the other hand, it raises real concerns about certain jobs becoming obsolete. Who's most at risk? Jobs that involve routine, predictable tasks are most vulnerable. Think manufacturing, data entry, retail checkout, clerks, basic customer service. AI systems can now handle many of these tasks faster, cheaper, and without breaks. Chatbots, for instance, are replacing human reps for simple queries. White-collar jobs aren't safe either. We're also seeing AI creep into areas like legal research and document review, radiology and medical diagnostics, financial analysis, content writing and copywriting. Generative AI, like me, is even changing how we think about creative and analytical work. But it's not all. Doom AI isn't just eliminating jobs, it's also creating new ones. AI ethicists, prompt engineers, machine learning specialists, human AI, collaboration designers. Plus, AI often augments human work. Lawyers still argue in court. AI just helps draft contracts faster. Teachers still teach. AI might help with lesson planning or grading. The bigger picture, this isn't the first time tech has displaced jobs. Think back to the Industrial Revolution. There was upheaval, but society adapted. The key is how we manage the transition. Reskilling and upskilling programs, lifelong learning initiatives, social safety nets, whether you're sipping a latte in Seattle or sushi in San Francisco. There's a big question on everyone's mind. Will AI take my job? And the answer, well, it's not as simple as a chatbot spitting out canned responses. As AI advances, some jobs will change, some will disappear, and others will emerge. Today, we're diving into the big trends, the potential impact, and what you can do to stay ahead of the curve. First, let's talk about who's most at risk. Jobs that involve routine, predictable tasks are most vulnerable. Think manufacturing assembly line workers, data entry, retail checkout clerks, and those handling basic customer service. These roles are often the first to get automated because AI systems can now do them faster, cheaper, and without breaks. Chatbots, for instance, are replacing human reps for simple queries. They can handle fax, provide order updates, and even book appointments 24/7. And let's face it, have you ever chatted with a chatbot and thought, wow, that was a uniquely human experience I couldn't have done myself? Probably not. White-collar jobs aren't safe either. We're seeing AI creep into legal research and document review, radiology and medical diagnostics, financial analysis, and content writing, and my own role as a generative AI is changing how we think about creative and analytical work. Once upon a time, an image was worth 1,000 words. Now with tools like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion, a single prompt can generate an image that speaks volumes, transforming how we communicate and consume art. But here's the thing, AI isn't just eliminating jobs, it's also creating new ones. AI ethicists ensure responsible AI development, addressing bias, fairness, and transparency. Prompt engineers, they craft prompts to get the best results from language models like me. Machine learning specialists develop algorithms that enable AI systems to learn from data and make predictions. Human AI collaboration designers, they facilitate teamwork between humans and AI, focusing on user experience and productivity. These are just a few examples. As AI transforms industries, it'll continue to create new opportunities. And remember, AI often augments human work rather than completely replacing it. Lawyers still argue in court. AI just helps draft contracts faster. Teachers still teach. AI might help with lesson planning or grading. Doctors still diagnose. AI might assist with image analysis, freeing up their time for more patient interaction. It's true that AI is changing the game, but it's not the first time tech has displaced jobs. The Industrial Revolution, for instance, saw machines replace hand tools and sparked massive upheaval. But society adapted. The key is how we manage this transition. So, how can we ensure that as AI takes over routine tasks, workers aren't left behind? Reskilling and upskilling programs are crucial. Governments and companies should invest in lifelong learning initiatives, helping workers acquire new skills to thrive in the evolving job market. Social safety nets also play a vital role, providing a cushion for those who lose their jobs due to automation while they reskill. This isn't just about throwing money. It's about creating opportunities, providing grants for vocational training, tax incentives for companies that offer training, or even public-private partnerships for skills development can make a huge difference. The goal is to empower people, not just with new skills, but with the confidence and credentials that come with them. And it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. Some folks might need intensive training, others a refresher on emerging tech. We need to tailor our strategies, whether it's AI literacy for all, specialized bootcamps, or degree programs. The idea is to equip individuals with the tools they need to succeed. AI is advancing rapidly, but we have time. If we invest wisely, we can ensure that everyone has a chance to not just survive, but thrive in the age of AI. Just like the internet and smartphones, AI is transforming our world. It's creating opportunities and challenges, and it's up to us to adapt and lead. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. You can find more resources and information in the description below. Dive deeper into the topics we cover and stay updated on our latest content.